Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about the relation between two variables and the slope. The relation between two variables, for example, x plus y equal 5. The equation of a line describe all the point on the line. The equation is the rule for any ordered pair on the line. For example, number 1, 3x plus 2y equal 8. So 4 and -2 is on the line. Test the point by plugging the x and y into the equation. We will make substitution for the 4 substitute x and -2 to y. 5 and 1 is not on the line because it's not substitute the equation. Another example, 2x minus 7y equal -2. 4 and -2 is not on the line, but 5 and 1 is on the line. What is a line? A line is the set of points formed a straight path on a plan. The slope between any 2 points on a line is always equal. A line on the Cartesian plan can be described by a linear equation. For example, this straight line, the slope describes the direction of line. If x1 not equal x2, the slope of the line through distance point, point number 1, x1, y1, point number 2, x2 and y2. A slope equally change in y-axis over a change in x-axis, so it's equal y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. Why x1 not equal x2? If we have 2 points, -3, 6 and 5, 2, we will find the slope here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal -4 over 8 equal -1 over 2. Calculate the slope between -3 and 6 and 5 with 2. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We use the letter m to represent the slope. Before we start, we should to put x1 y1 and x2 y2 in our point. So the slope equal 2 minus 6 over 5 minus -3 equal -4 over 8 equal -1 over 2. Find the slope here for this triangle. At first we will find the slope from point 3 and 9 and 11 with 2. Slope number 1 equal 2 minus 9 over 11 minus 3 equal -7 over 8. Slope in blue, line blue, 2 minus -2 over 11 minus 5. Slope for red line equal -2 minus 9 over 5 minus 3 equal -11 over 2. Find the slope between 5 and 4 and 5 and 2. At first we will put our rules y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 4, 5 minus 5 equal -2 over 0. this slope is undefined because the denominator equals 0. When we represent it on Cartesian plan, we will find it's parallel to y-axis, a straight line. If we have the straight line parallel y-axis, so the slope equal undefined. Find the slope between 5, 4 and negative 3, 4. At first, we will put our rule y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal 4 minus 4 over negative 3 minus 5 equal 0 over negative 8. The slope is at first. Now describe the slope of each of the following. We have negative slope and undefined slope when it parallel to y-axis, while positive slope will 0 slope if it parallel to x-axis. Find the slope between 5 and 4 and negative 3, 4. The slope equal 0, so the straight line parallel x-axis. From these rules, we can see the slope of a vertical line is undefined. The slope of horizontal line is 0. Find the slope of the line 4x minus y equal 8. First, find 2 points on the line. So, let x equal 0 to find the y. When x equals 0, 4 by 0 minus y equal 8, negative y equal 8, and y equal negative 8. So the point here is 0 and negative 8. Another point, let y equal 0 to find the x. 4x minus 0 equal 8, 4x equal 8, equal x equal 2. The point here is 2 and 0. Now we have 2 points. We will represent it on Cartesian plan. x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope equal 0 minus negative 8 over 2 minus 0 equal 8 over 2. So the slope equal 4.